Hey guys, this is C Plus Hacker, and today I'm going to show you how to try apps for free, like a demo, on Android. This only works on select apps and games, so let's get into it. First, find the app. Now, it's going to be a little tricky to do this, there aren't very many, but the one I do know works is Clash Royale. So if you open this up, you'll see this new Try Now button. Now, this lets you play around with the app without actually installing it, so let's give it a shot. You can see that it instantly opens up, it looks just like the app, and it gives you a little free game to play, which is pretty cool. It just teaches you some of the basics. I've already done it, so there aren't any instructions. And then there's a big colorful install button right at the top corner. So it's kind of a cool way to experience apps and see if you like them. I think this is a really cool feature. I think they should implement it more in Android, and I think it would be awesome to come to iOS because personally, I'm an iOS user. So if you guys think this is a cool feature, let me know in the comments below because I'm really kind of curious to see if people would like this. Also, let me know if you want me to do more mobile videos like this and what you want them to be on because I think it's kind of a fun thing to do. Till next time, peace.